I received a 750W soldering station with a hot air gun and a soldering iron with a variable temperature controller from banggood.com. This is a very simple and handy tool which I am going to use in all of my upcoming DIY projects. The ordering process from banggood.com is very easy. I went to the banggood.com's website and started looking for a soldering station. I found the JCD 8898 2-in-1 750W soldering tool set. The price was good and the reviews were amazing, so I did not hesitate in ordering one. I live in Australia, so the only thing that caught me was the plug type. Unfortunately, this unit only comes with either US or EU plug type. However, that really doesn't bother me as I have heaps of AU plug cables floating all around my house. The product arrived very fast. I received the product without any damage within 9 days. It came with 1-year warranty card. Packaging is bare minimum but comes with less useless plastic that goes in the trash. I'm positively surprised by the build quality compared to the price. This is definitely not a pro soldering station, but for my lightweight DIY projects, this is perfect. It's a very quiet device operating at either 110V US or 220V EU. Temperature control is precise enough and can be adjusted quickly. The heat gun fan runs automatically after setting it back to its resting position to quickly blow the heat off. The automatic cooling function effectively prolongs the heater's life and also protects the hot air heater. I really like this feature. This unit has dual LCD display to display the precision temperature. Temperature of the hot air gun can be adjusted between 100 and 480 degrees centigrade with a temperature stability of ±2. And the temperature of the soldering iron can be adjusted between 180 to 500 degrees centigrade with a temperature stability of +1. The output power of the hot air gun is 750W and that of the soldering iron is 80W. Pretty good, huh? If you run out of your desk space, you can also mount this unit to the wall. Interesting bonus, isn't it? If you want to know more about this soldering station or want to order one yourself, please check out the link in the description below. To do a quick test, I went ahead and soldered one of my latest PCB creations. In my last video, I showed you guys how to create a Node MCU development board. In this video, I'm going to solder a Arduino Uno development board. You can find the Gerber file in the description below. Based on my today's experience, I can say that this soldering iron heats up pretty quickly and does its job fairly well. I currently don't have any SMD components to solder using the hot gun. However, I will definitely use it in my upcoming projects, so stay tuned. Just a reminder, this is definitely not a pro soldering station, but for your lightweight DIY projects, this is absolutely perfect. Thanks again for watching this video. I hope it helps you. If you want to support me, you can subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks. See you again in my next video. Bye now.